Hello everybody, welcome. Myself, Alni Reshma Bhagwanra from Sri Siddheshwar Secondary High School to Standard 6 English, the poem Minnie and Winnie. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to recite a poem named Minnie and Winnie, written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. This is a lullaby. Lullaby means a cradle song, which a mother sings for her babies when they are feeling sleepy. Okay? Now I am going to read the poem. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell. Sleep, little ladies, and they slept well. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell. Sleep, little ladies, and they slept well. Pink was the shell within, silver without. Pink was the shell within, silver without. Sounds of the great sea wandered about. Sounds of the great sea wandered about. Sleep, little ladies, wake not soon. Sleep, little ladies, wake not soon. Echo and echo dies to the moon. Echo and echo dies to the moon. Two bright stars peeped into the shell. Two bright stars peeped into the shell. What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? Started a green linnet out of the crop. Wake, little ladies, the sun is aloft. Wake, little ladies, the sun is aloft. Okay? Now we are going to see one by one. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell. Minnie and Winnie both are twins and they slept in the shell. Shell means a sea shell. Sleep, little ladies, and they slept well. Both are sleep in well. Pink was the shell within, silver without. Means inner side color of the shell is pink. Inner side color of the shell is pink and outside color of the shell is silver. Here is given the opposite words, within and without. Note down it. Within and without. Pink was the shell within, silver without. Sounds of the great sea wander about. Sleep, little ladies, wake not soon. Here is poet says, sleep, little ladies, wake not soon. Echo and echo dies to the moon. Echo means that the sounds are heard again and again. We have heard about the echo point and we enjoy very well. Okay? Echo and echo dies to the moon. Dies means that sounds travel far away towards the moon. Dies to the moon. Dies, echo and echo dies to the moon. Two bright stars peeped into the shell. Two bright stars. Peeped means looking quickly. Two bright stars looking quickly inside the shell. What are dreaming of the Winnie and Minnie? Who can tell? Started a green linnet out of the craft. Now everyone is awake in the morning. Linnet means a bird, a small bird, a singing bird. And that bird started to sing. Started a green linnet out of the croft. Croft means a small farm. Wake, little ladies, the sun is aloft. Here poet says to Minnie and Winnie, wake little ladies, the sun is aloft. Aloft means the sun coming up in the air. Okay, now recite this poem. Okay, I know you have understood this poem very well. Recite this poem and complete the following questions given below. Okay.